Hello, welcome back. In this video, I will show you the uses of the function resource curves. Resource curves are used to redistribute cost or units of resources across the activity duration as per defined curves. Choose an activity. Add the activity details. Under Resource tab, add column curve. Click on Curve and choose the curve of your choice. As default, it is linear. At the activity usage profile or spreadsheet, I am able to view the linear distribution of units. If I change it to bell-shaped, distribution of units will spread as per bell curve on its distribution. Let's see one more curve, front-loaded. The distribution is as per front-loaded. We can also modify the curve and make distribution as per our convenience. Click on Enterprise, choose Resource Curves. Click Add, copy from any curve. Click on Modify. Now redistribute the percentage. Now apply the modified front-end curve. You will notice this is the modified distribution of units across activity duration. To add resource curves to all resources in one go, click on Resource Assignments, add column curve, add curve to the first resource. Then use Shift key, choose all resource assignments on the curve column. Press Ctrl E or Fill option. Curve is applied to all resources. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.